Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar plummeted over 100 points yesterday from the intraday high of 65.35 to a low of 64.30 in New York. It seems that the market was triggered after yesterday's announcement that China has announced it would be banning its beef imports from 4 of Australia's largest abattoirs. It is assessed from that the market did stage quite a significant fall. But with the level taken out at 64.45 has given further potential to the downside and therefore looks towards its 60-day moving average around 63.25.35. With the resistance seen at 64.90, it is assessed any attempt should see a rejection from there and see further pressure on 64.20. The euro overnight staged a significant rebound in front of that level once again of 107.35 to 55, with the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, slipped back to the 100 handle. I would like to note there is a bullish outside range day here and therefore could see a little bit more upside with the RSI slowly increasing, but there's little to go with the MACD. So therefore it should give some indication that the market might find resistance around the level of 108.90 to 95. And I still view the downside risk to 107.35 to 55 while 108.90 95 holds. The market has retreated from the top side of the range in dollar yen after a very strong surge since the break of this trend has found resistance or respected around the level of 107.55 to 108.15.25. I feel from the current pattern is that we are breaking down again, and if we get a close in New York tomorrow morning under 107 figure, then this would reinstate the downside back to the target I was calling at 105 figure 40. The pound has been weak and continues to remain weak. And as you can see, since the rejection of 124.45, the call is still very much towards its target of 121.60.80 before any profit taking is likely to emerge. Do continue to monitor your positions and remember to adjust stop losses and take profit accordingly to your risk management, just in case we do see an unexpected rebound. Because we are getting a little bit oversold, so we're only 100 points away since this current 2-day decline, so profit taking may emerge very soon. Little to say for dollar CAD as it trades sideways and still locked in the band around 138.5 to 142. It seems that the market will likely continue to play this range until we get a stronger indication of what the technicals are implying. For the moment, sideways, but I do have a slight bias still towards 138.5. Well, it would seem that gold took a rebound off the level of 1,690 and made a recovery back to 107. I'm still at this stage lacking any initial support in terms of seeing this rally continuing and therefore may see a pullback again. There is little to go on as this sideways pattern remains in around 1,690 to 1,715 as a potential parameters, but there's still risk of seeing a slight turn down again into this session. And the oil gets a little bit of an uptick, but still coasting sideways. I still feel there is a potential pullback to $22.40.80 before the rally resumes on to 27 to 31. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the great start to this new day.